today?
I'm doing good.
What's your name and how old are you?
My name is Celine and I'm 9 years old.
You're 9 years old.
This is my dream, being in America's Got Talent.
So what are you going to be doing for us today?
I'm going to be singing.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Have you got any brothers or sisters?
I got a little sister.
And what's her name?
Her name is Dion. Celine and Dion.
Wow. Really?
So I'm guessing your parents love Celine Dion?
Yes, of course.
Right. So when did you realise that you had a great singing voice?
When I was in the car, my dad's driving, and then suddenly I just sang My Heart Will Go On, and then he was like, wow. Why
Celine
can you
Dion
sing-"
song.
Yeah.
We got that. We've worked that out, Mel. There's a Celine Dion connection.
I know, but I'm just... So what kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like...
Celine Dion.
Yeah.
And what is your big dream when
To
you
be the
grow
next
up?
Celine Dion. She's got it.
This is my dream.
This is your dream?
Yeah.
Celine, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
What artist are you going to be singing?
Celine Dion.
Well, Celine, good luck.
Thank you.